Hello, my name is Bob Willis and welcome to Defect of the Month. Now, every month I take the opportunity of looking at a specific defect and hopefully provide some solutions to that defect to allow you to overcome that problem in manufacture. Over 60 defects we've created on video, and those have been produced over the last few years. 2 of those actually appear in the top 20 IPC YouTube watched video list. We've also offered Defect of the Month live at exhibitions, which is or gives a one-to-one solution to a problem. With your support, we hope to continue making Defect of the Month videos and make many more. Now let's just take a look at one of our past Defect of the Month videos. People often ask me that if I'm using a tin finish on a PCB, will I suffer from whiskers? It's a good question. It's all about the chemistry. And manufacturers today who provide tin finishes for PCB applications really have developed their materials to avoid the problem of compressive stress. If you have a tin finish and it's under compression, what can happen? Tin whiskers. However, I have seen examples of tin whiskers on printed circuit boards. We have an example here which shows significant growth in tin whiskers, but this is on a board that was produced during the introduction of lead-free technology when tin was still progressing and advancing. I have seen examples of tin whiskers in through holes, and this example is shown. However, after the soldering operation there was no evidence of anything left behind. Really, it was cleaned out during the soldering operation of this plated through hole.